Okay, so this is time for us to move to another subtopic, okay, inside Microsoft Excel that will explain about chart, okay. So before that, okay, I will use a time redeem data as a view in your videos here, okay, to do the hands-on how we want to use, how we want to create a chart, okay, sorry. Okay, so uh why chart, okay, why we want to use a chart, okay. So sometimes it can be very difficult to interpret Excel workbooks, okay, that contain a lot of data, okay. So charts allow you, okay, to illustrate your workbook data graphically, so which make it easy to visualize the comparisons and also the trends, okay. So this slide actually is to understand the chart type, okay. So Excel has several different types of charts, okay, so that will allowing you, okay, to choose the one that best fits your data. So in order to use the charts effectively, you will need to understand how different charts are used, okay. So examples here, column charts, okay, use vertical bars to represent data. So they can work with many different types of data, but they are most frequently used for comparing information, okay. And then line charts, okay, actually are ideal for showing trends, okay. So the data points are connected with lines, making it easy to see whether values are increasing or decreasing over time, okay. So and then we have pie charts here, okay. So actually pie charts make it easy to compare proportions, okay. So each value is shown as a slice of the pie, so it's easy to see which values make up the percentage of a whole, okay. And then bar chart, okay, uh bar charts actually work just like column charts, okay, but they use horizontal rather than a vertical bars, okay. So area charts, okay, are similar to line charts, okay, except the areas under the lines are filled in, okay. And then we have surface charts, okay. Actually these types of charts allow you to display data across a 3D landscape, so they work best with large data sets, okay, that allowing you to see a variety of information at the same time, okay. So in addition to chart types, okay, you will need to understand how to read a chart, okay. So charts contain several different elements or parts, okay, that can help you to interpret the data, okay. So the first thing, the first element is a chart title, okay. So the title should clearly describe what the chart is illustrating, okay. And then we have vertical axis, is also known as the y-axis, is the vertical part of the chart, okay. And then we also have horizontal axis, is also known as the x-axis, is the horizontal part of the charts, okay. Other elements that we have is a data series, okay. So these elements or the data series consists of the related data points in a chart, and then another element is a legend, okay, that will identify which data series each color on the chart represents,